Hi guys, it's your buddy Yo-Yo, aka Yolanda, aka Hadassah. I'm here to do a taste test. I've had this can for many months of the lady, is it Boba? As like boba tea, taro bubble tea. I don't even know what taro is. I know it's like a flavor that's in the Orient, maybe. And also, everybody's on the kombucha train. So, I'm going to try that. And guess what? Got them both from Dollar Tree. Isn't that can cute? I think that's why I got it. I love the color purple. And the lady on the can was cute. And I do love tea, but again, I've never tried anything like this. I saw Noni's Life try hers. She had the brown can. I don't know if anyone's tried this on camera, but we're going to do both. First, we're going to get them on ice. I think most things taste better anyway on ice. Oh, Lord. Got a distinct smell. ASMR. So the one I'm more scared of is this one. So we'll go down the hatch. There are bubbles down there. The Boba. Let's see if I can get one out. I'm gonna try them. Oh, gross. Maybe not. Ew. I just smushed it out of my... This is what it looks like. Don't like the texture. Nope. But I'm a texture person. I can't do that, no. The tea's not bad, though. I feel healthy, though. But I am. Okay. Would I buy it again? No. Okay, $1.25. So, hey. Now, this is Kombucha, which is supposed to be so filled with probiotics and good stuff. Again, $1.25. Bottoms up, down the hatch. Hi 'em. Oh God, that's horrible. Did I mix them up? Is this the... Okay. Oh! I mixed them up. Oh gosh. This creamy one is this one. Oh, no. I lied. No, never buying that again. I give that a 1 out of a 10. The kombucha, that was this one. Okay. We're going to finish the... Oh! The things I do for you guys. $1.25. You know what, though? I feel healthy. I'm going to live to 120. I love you. Goodbye from my cabinet.